Wait. Please stop. Do not click away from this video. I know the quality sucks. I know you're looking like, who is this guy? I know I got on a weird hat. I know you don't know who I am. I know I don't have the best webcam, but I promise you this is going to be a very important video for you, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you're figuring out how to make money online. Stop. Give me 2 minutes. Quick video. Sorry, I'm back. I didn't cue the music. And now. All right, welcome back. It's Level Up with Safare. Thanks for coming. Thanks for viewing my videos. Thanks for watching. I told you it's going to be a very quick video, so I'm going to be talking extremely fast. I'm just trying to get the knowledge out of there as soon as possible, as quick as possible, as effective as possible. But yeah, we're here. This is basically 5 easy ways, 5 easy steps, 5 easy routes to make money online. It's gonna be really quick, really simple. Man, let me go back, man. Honestly, I'm pumping out a lot of videos. I know if you guys are watching this video, if you're subscribed, I hope you are. If you aren't, subscribe. But if you are a subscriber and you can see that I'm pumping out the videos, just bear with me. I promise you everything's gonna get better. You don't want to be one of them people who just hop on when I'm already popping, already got the Lambo or the Corvette, already got the nice house. And you'd be like, damn, what happened in between that time? Like, I wish I would have stayed with them. You don't want to be that person, because I promise you, man, this is the channels. I'm taking the car videos. I'm taking those videos. I'm taking that life. I'm taking the music stuff. I'm taking the money stuff. I'm taking the traveling stuff. I'm taking every video online that's popping. I'm taking that. That's going to be my lane. A lot of people, every time I post a video, I see somebody watch it, and then I see a subscriber drop, but then I gain 2. I lose 1, I lose 2, but then I gain 4. So just I promise you, just stick with me. If you only watch my videos for the first 3 minutes, 4 minutes, I promise you I'm giving out value as much as possible. So this is going to be a very quick one. I'm not going to really go into detail with much of these, because if you want, you can just comment down below in the comment section. You can email me, and I'll answer all your questions, and we can get some dialogue going there. But just so people don't keep unsubscribing because I'm pumping out so much, this is going to be a real quick one. 5 easy steps to make money online. The first step is basically you have to figure out what you're good at. If you're good at, editing, if you're good at, if you're a comedian, if you're good at acting, if you're good at, strategizing, if you're good at helping other people help themselves, if you're good at, anything, if you're good at cars, if you anything you have a knowledge on, knowledge is just not enough. You have to have like passion. You have to like be able to really show that you exhibit a want and care and, some type of personal, connection with what you're talking about. If you can do that, pick that topic. Run with that topic. That's 1. Number 2, basically, once you already, you've decided on what you really want to run with and what you're good at, the next step is to basically document the journey. Everybody likes to see like the little guy make it. That's why Scarface is so popular. Everybody likes to see the journey, the struggles, the perseverance, the critical thinking, the problem solving. Everybody likes to see that and the end result. They almost like to see the, when you're watching a superhero movie, they like to see the person like develop their powers just as much as them use their powers when they're already like a professional with it. So just document your journey. If it's, post YouTube videos, if it's do an ebook, if it's, send emails out, whatever you have to do while you're learning your craft and you're, pretty much starting the journey, you should document the whole process, everything, even if it's trash. Like, this is trash. This is trash. This is trash, but I'm documenting the journey. 6 months from now, when you look back on these, you're going to be like, damn, he did that, and everybody likes to see that, honestly. Look back at any movie that you really like, there's always a come-up story. Everybody loves those. So that's number 2. Document everything. Number three, since we're in the day and age of technology, you have to choose the platform where you want to basically, bring in your audience. If it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, if it's a website, if it's, an app, whatever it is, you have to basically bring your audience in and figure out a way to, like, you know, herd them all in like sheep. If it's, you know, gain a whole bunch of subscribers on whatever platform, if it's, you know, send out emails, if it's send people to your website, whatever it is, you have to choose a platform where you can, you know, control the herd, you know. That's step 3. Step 4, once you have the herd, once you have all the people who are like-minded, who, you know, your target audience, what you have to do is basically give them knowledge. You just give them everything that you have. Give them all the knowledge you have, but keep a little bit. Keep the pieces that, you know, give them this, but don't give them this. They need this, or else this will dry out eventually. If they have this and know this, you can't use this. If you have this and know this, this won't last. This with this, you put it together and you have something great, you know. So that's basically what it is. What you want to do is give this away, sell this, sell this. If you've given them this is easy. This is nothing. You see how small this is in comparison? This is small. They'll buy this. Anybody will buy this. So basically, give away knowledge for free, but keep a piece and monetize it. You keep a piece that connects everything that you've said. You know, something. You just keep something back, but you give enough to get somebody going, to let them know, like, hey, I know what I'm doing. You know, that's what you do. That's step 4. Step 5 is now you monetize it. Now you take this and you actually sell it. You can sell this with courses. You can sell this with ebooks. You can sell this with, you know, one-on-one consultations. You can sell this with Facebook groups. You can sell this with whatever you want. But this is what you sell. You have to figure out a way to monetize this and sell this, because this is what controls everything. This is what you need. This is what you can sell. Once you're able to sell one of these, this is easy to sell. 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 I hope you guys get what I'm saying, but pretty much you have to figure out a way to monetize whatever you're giving away. You have to figure out a way to give the people what they want, and pretty much, you know, like feed the beast, you know. So that's what it is. That's 5 easy steps on how to make money online. Thank you for watching. This is Amari Safare. I don't know if I'm gonna do something. Is a clap gonna work or a snap? I don't know. I don't know how to end the video. Like, I'm still figuring that out. But this is Level Up with Safare. Snap.